JINIU makes a ceiling fan. This is a 52-inch black ceiling fan with a 3,000, 4,500, and 6,000 Kelvin with 6 speeds for summer and winter. So the air blows up or down. We're going to show you what you get inside the box, how to build it, and what it looks like. As you open up the box, the manual's laid on top, nice and flat, easy to read and access. Nice and clear pictures. Behind the phone is going to be all your parts and material. Our fan came in white. We have here's a short bar with the cutler pin. Packed is the bracket, the cosmetic cover, the DC motor, 20 dB silent motor, remote control and transmitter, motor cover, LED cover, and the LED light. A hardware package, and the 5 white and brown blades. Last but least, the tall pole to hang. Our ceiling fan's going to be hung over here. We'll lock it down and get ready for our next step. We'll place our gimbal pole on and decide if we want to put the fan at this height or this height. We have an option to do white or wood. And we're going to simply place in our blade with the washer and set bolt locked down. You're going to need a screwdriver or a drill, your option. Inside, this is where the screws go and they get locked down. Remove all 3 screws. Now what you're going to do is pull, place on, and with the module clip facing to the ceiling, you're going to place on and look for the 3 holes. Grab the ceiling fan. Do not put the cover on now. Turn around and allow it to lay flat on the table. We have a couple items to put on. The covers. Slide the leads through. Loosen the 2 bolts. Put the cutler pin in. With the bolt, pin, screws, cosmetic cover, hook up your receiver remote control. Simply match all the color codes up. White, gray, yellow, white, black, and red. Hook up your load in neutral and place into the top of your bracket. Your remote control fits on top. Your ceiling fan slides in and locks into place. And hook up your leads. And once your cover's locked down, put on the LED cover. The LED cover's got slots all around. Simply place on and done. Find a location and lock down your cradle. I'll show you what the remote looks like. It has a on and off, all off, Kelvins, nightlight, the wireless, the different features of the remote, the 6 speeds, a wind speed, a fan off, forward reverse, and a timer. Turning on the fan for the first time. The light turns on. It gives an audible beep. Light turns on and off. We have here's the Kelvins, brightest, warm, medium. The night light. Pressing up on the joystick increases, decreases. And then changing to the kelvins, to the brightest. Hitting on one of the speeds, number 3, clockwise. Hitting on the breeze. The breeze will give different speed levels. 1, 3, 2, 4. It acts as a gentle breeze outside blowing. We have a timer. And if your fan seems to wobble, we have a kit to stop the wobble. We have a clip. Go to the fan. Spread the clip apart and place on. Turn the fan back on and look for the wobble. Stop the fan. Take the magnet, peel off, you get 2, and place onto the top of the blade to stop the wobble. We have the fan on in reverse speed, and what we're going to do is shut the lights out to demonstrate what the reading mode looks like, a night light. We're going to increase the light to the maximum, and we're going to give it to the warm Kelvin, then to the coolest Kelvin. The fan is off and the light's on only. If you're looking for a ceiling fan, this ceiling fan may be something that you're looking for. Check online for further details about the colors they come in for the 52-inch. Enjoy your ceiling fan from JINIU. If it's a ceiling fan for your household needs to cool off a room, a child's room, a living room, a den, a dining room, a bedroom, this ceiling fan may be something that you are after. Thank you for viewing.